If you don't want to visit a store for your meds, Walgreens prescription delivery in 2025 is a convenient option. You can order through the Walgreens app or website, and if your prescription qualifies, choose same day, 1 to 2 day, or standard 5 to 10 day delivery. Same day is about $5.99, 1 to 2 day about $3.99, and standard shipping is free. Faster delivery options require placing your order before the pharmacy's cutoff time, usually a few hours before closing. Not all prescriptions qualify. Controlled substances and temperature-sensitive meds are often excluded. You'll get text or email updates, and you can track your order in the app. Walgreens also uses automated micro-fulfillment centers with robotic systems to speed up prescription processing, which many users say makes orders more accurate and dependable. If your insurance supports mail service pharmacy, you may get 90-day supplies with free standard delivery, especially for maintenance meds. Walgreens delivery gives you flexible, affordable options, from free shipping to same-day service. But medication eligibility, cutoff times, and insurance rules still matter.